Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into a topic that is crucial for any Honda or Acura owner looking to do a respray, or just curious about their car's history. Paint codes. Where do you find them? How do you read them? And what do they all mean? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down. First things first, what exactly is a paint code? It is a specific code that manufacturers use to identify the exact color and shade of your vehicle as paint. This isn't just blue or red. It's a precise formula. Getting this code right is the key to a perfect color match, ensuring any new paint blends seamlessly with the original finish. For Honda and Acura, these codes are your best friend for any paint-related project. So, where do you find this magical code on your Honda or Acura? The most common spot is on the driver's side door jamb. Open your driver's door and look for a black, white, or silver sticker. This is the VENG sticker, or factory build sticker, and it's packed with information. You'll see things like your VIN, production date, and, most importantly, the paint code. Now, what are you looking for on this sticker? Honda and Acura paint codes typically start with a letter number combination. For example, you might see something like NH731P, which is crystal black pearl, or R513, which is rally red. The code is usually clearly labeled as color or located near the bottom of the sticker. It can be a bit crowded on there, so take a close look. Sometimes it might be next to the word exterior. If you're struggling to find it, don't worry. On some older models, you might find a metal plate under the hood, often on the firewall or one of the strut towers, that contains the paint code. Let's decode one of these. Take B593M, for example, which is Aegean blue metallic. The B stands for blue. The numbers 593 are the specific shade, and the M at the end tells you it's a metallic finish. You'll also see P4 pearl or no letter at all for a solid, non-metallic color. Understanding this structure helps you know a little more about your paint's composition. Common prefixes include R for red, B for blue, NH for neutral, blacks, whites, silvers, Y for yellow, and G for green. It's a simple but effective system. Why is this so important? Imagine you get a scratch or a small chip. You head to the auto parts store or a body shop and ask for red paint for a Honda Civic. Well, Honda has used dozens of shades of red over the years. Rally red is very different from Milano red. Without the correct paint code, you're just guessing, and the result will be a noticeable patch that doesn't match. A perfect repair depends on that specific code. It ensures that the touch-up paint you buy has the exact same tint, flake, and finish as the rest of your car. What if your sticker is missing or unreadable? This can happen, especially on older cars or those that have been in an accident. Your first stop should be a Honda or Acura dealership with your vehicle identification number or vehicle. The parts department can look up your car's original build sheet and tell you the exact paint code it left the factory with. Another great resource is online vending. Some websites allow you to enter your VEN and will provide a wealth of information about your vehicle, including the original paint code. Once you have your code, ordering paint is easy. You can give it to your local body shop, an automotive paint supplier, or even find touch-up pens and spray cans online from reputable sellers. Just provide them with the code, like YR578M4 Urban Titanium Metalli, and they'll mix you a batch that's a perfect match. This is also super helpful if you're buying used parts, like a fender or a door, and want to make sure it's the right color before you buy. So, to recap, your Honda or Acura paint code is your key to a perfect paint match. You'll usually find it on the sticker in your driver's side door jamb. It's a combination of letters and numbers that tells you the exact color, shade, and finish. If you can't find it, a dealership can help you out using your VEN. Knowing this little piece of information can save you a ton of headaches and ensure your car looks its absolute best. That's all for today's deep dive into Honda and Acura paint codes. I hope this guide helps you in your next project, whether it's a small touch-up or a full custom build. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what color your Honda or Acura is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.